Iznájar, perched on a hilltop overlooking the turquoise waters of the Embalse de Iznájar, is one of Andalusia's most picturesque white villages. Known as the Mirador del Genil, viewpoint of the Genil, it offers breathtaking panoramic views of the surrounding olive groves and the lake, which is the largest reservoir in Andalusia. The village's strategic position and natural beauty have made it a tranquil haven for those seeking serenity and stunning landscapes. The history of Iznájar dates back to pre-Roman times, and its name originates from the Arabic word Hrisi&Sami, meaning castle on a cliff. The village retains traces of its Moorish heritage, particularly in its historic castle, Castle de Iznájar. This fortress, which dates back to the 8th century, offers insight into the village's medieval past and provides commanding views of the region. Visitors can explore its restored sections, including the towers and courtyards, which echo the grandeur of its Islamic roots. At the heart of Iznájar lies the Plaza de la Torre, a central square that serves as a gathering place for locals and visitors alike. The square is surrounded by charming whitewashed houses adorned with colorful flower pots, a hallmark of Andalusian villages. Nearby, the Church of Santiago Apostol stands as a testament to the village's Christian heritage, built in the 16th century. Its simple yet elegant architecture complements the timeless beauty of Iznájar. One of Iznájar's most captivating features is its connection to the Embalse de Iznájar. The reservoir, often called the Lake of Andalusia, offers a range of recreational activities, including kayaking, paddleboarding, and fishing. The surrounding beaches, such as Playa de Valdearenas, provide a unique opportunity to enjoy a lakeside escape in the heart of the Andalusian countryside. The crystal-clear waters and serene atmosphere make it a favorite spot for nature lovers. The village is also known for its maze-like streets, which invite exploration and discovery. Walking through the narrow alleys, visitors can encounter hidden squares, traditional Andalusian patios, and artisan workshops. These pathways are not just routes but an experience in themselves, offering glimpses of daily life in this tranquil village. The friendly locals often greet visitors with a smile, adding to the warmth and charm of Iznájar. Iznájar celebrates its cultural heritage through various festivals and events. The Feria de San Marcos, held in April, is one of the most important festivities, featuring traditional music, dancing, and processions. Another highlight is the Romeria de San Isidro, where villagers dress in traditional costumes and parade through the streets in honor of the patron saint of farmers. These events showcase the deep-rooted traditions and vibrant spirit of the community. The gastronomy of Iznájar is deeply influenced by the olive groves that surround it. Olive oil, the liquid gold of Andalusia, plays a central role in the local cuisine. Traditional dishes such as salmorejo, migas, and pura antequerana are staples, often accompanied by freshly baked bread and local olives. For dessert, visitors can enjoy sweets like pestiños and roscoes, which reflect the region's Moorish culinary heritage. Nature lovers will find plenty to explore in the area surrounding Iznájar. The Sierras Subaticas Natural Park, located nearby, is a haven for hikers, bird watchers, and adventurers. Its rugged limestone peaks, lush valleys, and diverse flora and fauna make it an ideal destination for outdoor activities. The park also features several trails that lead to stunning viewpoints, caves, and historic sites, offering a deeper connection to the region's natural beauty. Iznájar's artistic flair is evident in its vibrant cultural scene. The village regularly hosts art exhibitions, music performances, and workshops that celebrate local talent and creativity. The Casa de las Colmenas, a cultural center located in the village, serves as a hub for these activities. Its exhibitions often feature works by local artists and provide a platform for cultural exchange, enriching the village's community life. The village is also a gateway to exploring the wider Andalusian region. Its central location in the province of Córdoba makes it an excellent base for day trips to other historic cities, such as Granada, Malaga, and Córdoba itself. These cities offer a wealth of cultural, historical, and architectural treasures, from the Alhambra to the Mezquita, allowing visitors to immerse themselves in the rich heritage of Andalusia while returning to the peaceful retreat of Iznájar. The warmth and hospitality of Iznájar's residents leave a lasting impression on visitors. Many travelers remark on the sense of community and genuine kindness they experience in the village. This welcoming spirit, combined with the stunning landscapes and rich history, creates an atmosphere of harmony and contentment. It's no wonder that many visitors feel a deep connection to Iznájar and often return to experience its magic again. For those seeking a slower pace of life, Iznájar offers a perfect escape. The village's tranquil ambiance and breathtaking scenery provide an ideal setting for relaxation and reflection. Whether enjoying a leisurely stroll along the lake, sipping coffee at a local cafe, or simply taking in the views from a hilltop perch, visitors can unwind and reconnect with nature and themselves. In conclusion, Iznájar is a hidden gem that encapsulates the essence of Andalusia. Its blend of history, culture, and natural beauty makes it a destination that appeals to a wide range of travelers. Whether exploring its medieval castle, enjoying water sports on the reservoir, or savoring the flavors of its cuisine, Iznájar offers an authentic and unforgettable Andalusian experience. Its charm lies in its ability to transport visitors to a simpler, more peaceful way of life, where the beauty of the past and the tranquility of nature converge. Iznájar's allure extends beyond its picturesque landscapes and historic sites to its deep cultural roots, evident in its festivals and local traditions. The Semana Santa, Holy Week, celebrations are a profound display of religious devotion, where ornate processions wind through the streets, accompanied by somber music and flickering candlelight. This event brings the community together and allows visitors to witness the strong spiritual connection that defines Andalusian villages like Iznájar. The village's connection to agriculture, particularly olives, is a vital part of its identity. Visitors can explore olive mills and learn about the production of extra virgin olive oil, which is considered among the finest in the region. Many tours offer tastings, where guests can sample the distinct flavors of different oils, gaining a deeper appreciation for the craftsmanship involved. The olive groves themselves, stretching as far as the eye can see, are a testament to centuries of dedication to the land. In addition to its agricultural traditions, Iznájar boasts a growing reputation as a hub for ecotourism. The pristine environment surrounding the village offers numerous opportunities for sustainable travel experiences. Eco-lodges, guided nature walks, and birdwatching tours are becoming increasingly popular, allowing visitors to immerse themselves in the natural beauty of the region while supporting conservation efforts. This commitment to preserving the environment ensures that future generations can enjoy the same untouched landscapes. The arts also play a significant role in Iznájar's community life. The village hosts an annual poetry and storytelling festival, drawing artists and performers from across Andalusia. This event transforms the village into an open-air stage, with performances taking place in courtyards, plazas, and other scenic spots. The festival celebrates not only local talent but also the universal themes of love, history, and identity, fostering a sense of cultural pride among residents and visitors alike. Iznájar's strategic location at the crossroads of Andalusia makes it an ideal starting point for exploring nearby attractions. Day trips to the Camino del Rey, a breathtaking walkway suspended along the walls of a narrow gorge, or to the dolmens of Antequera, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, provide enriching experiences that complement a stay in the village. These excursions highlight the diversity of landscapes and cultural landmarks that surround Iznájar.